A huge advantage of Desmos is you could graph circles very easily. Number 8, a circle in the standard XY coordinate plane has a center at 1, 1 and passes through the point 1, 6. So I can actually graph these 2 points. So when I put in the equations, I could see if the purple is the center and it goes through the black. So the A, x minus 1 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 5. It does have the right center, but it does not go through the black point. If I put answer choice B in, which was the same equation except this changed to 25, now it goes through the right point, and B is the correct answer.